Welcome to JA Solar's PV Modules installation tutorial. Today we will guide you step by step on how to properly secure your PV modules with module fixtures to ensure safety and efficiency. Every module represents JA Solar's commitment to quality. First of all, we have to carefully inspect each module to ensure that it is in perfect condition. Choosing the right fixture is crucial. We recommend using fixtures with specifications specified by JA Solar. When installing the fixtures, ensure that they do not touch the glass of the modules and that they do not deform the frame. It is recommended to install the fixtures in accordance with JA Solar's recommended mounting position. It is very important to choose bolts with sufficient strength and durability to withstand the weight of the PV modules and the external environment. Use grounding wires correctly and connect the modules to the ground through the grounding holes to ensure firmness and safety. Correctly connect the positive and negative poles of the component junction box connector. Safety is always our top priority. Please use appropriate personal protection equipment such as gloves and goggles. Finally, don't forget to regularly check the fixation of the fixture. This is a crucial step to ensure long-term stability and safety. Thank you for watching JA Solar's PV Modules installation tutorial. Following these steps will ensure the stability and long-term durability of the modules. For more information, please visit JA Solar's official website.